So this is how you can add a link in your Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Instagram. Today, you will learn how to add a link to your posts. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started by opening Instagram. You are now in your homepage. So just simply tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and find the photo that you want to post and then tap on next. So once you're done editing it, however you want, just simply tap on next again. And here you can add your captions or whatever you want. You can tag people, you can add music, and you can set the audience, or you can add your location. So let's say I'm just going to type something in like this. And now we're going to want to type our link in. As you can see, I typed down youtube.com. That is a working link. So all you have to do is just tap on OK and then tap on share. Now we wait for it to load so we can see that the link is actually there. And now that it has posted, we're going to want to tap on the post. And as you can see, the link is right there. That is how you can add links to Instagram posts. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.